Hi guys, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a root beer float using our root beer syrup. We also have our blue agave and some Madagascar bourbon vanilla extract. So when you're ready, let's get started. All right, so our first step is going to be to pump in our root beer syrup. You really don't need much. All of our syrups are extremely concentrated. So that's the beauty of using these for a root beer float. You're getting a lot less sugar than you would with a store-bought one. We're just doing a pump. We're gonna pour in our agave and then some vanilla extract. Now let's just mix this all together really well. And the best part, I mean, what's a root beer float without vanilla ice cream? So we have some just store-bought vanilla ice cream here. I have 2 scoops. You can use 1, you can use 2, you can use 3 if you want. And now slowly just pour the root beer on top of this. It is gonna foam up a lot, so don't go all in at once. You don't wanna overflow your glass. And there you have it, a beautiful, easy to make root beer float. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our easy root beer float recipe. If you do make this at home, be sure to tag us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook at Amoretti. We'll see you next time.